So, what are the top 5 visa options for living and working in the U.S.? Welcome to U.S. Immigration Simplified. I'm immigration and business attorney Ronald Lee, and here are the top 5 visa options for living and working in the U.S. depending on your qualifications and circumstances. Number 1 is H-1B visa, specialty occupations. Who's it for? Professionals in specialty fields like IT, engineering, healthcare, or finance. What are the requirements? Job offer from a U.S. employer, bachelor's degree or higher in a relevant field. Key points: it's valid for up to 6 years, employer sponsorship required, the annual cap of 85,000 visas, so competition is high. Number 2 is L1 visa, intra-company transfers. Who is it for? Employees transferring from within the same company to a U.S. branch. What are the requirements? Must have worked for the company abroad for at least 1 year in the past 3 years. The role must be in a managerial, executive, or specialized knowledge capacity. The key points: allows dependents to live in the U.S. and work under L2 visa, and no cap on the number of visas issued. 3 is O1 visa, extraordinary ability. And who is it for? Individuals with extraordinary abilities in arts, sciences, education, business, or athletics. And what are the requirements? Must demonstrate sustained national or international acclaim, such as awards, published work, U.S. employer or agent sponsorship. The key point: it is valid for initial 3 years, extendable in 1 year increments. It's ideal for high achievers. E2 visa, investor visa. Now, who is it for? Investors from treaty countries looking to start or buy a U.S. business. What are the requirements? Must invest a substantial amount in a U.S. enterprise and actively manage the business. There isn't a specific amount that USCIS lists, but we do recommend that our clients invest at least $100,000. If it's slightly less, then we must explain it in the support letter. What are the key points? No set investment threshold, like I said, but generally $100,000 plus is expected. Renewable indefinitely as long as the business remains operational. Number 5 is EB2, EB3 employment-based green cards. Who is it for? Skilled professionals, advanced degree holders, or workers in demand. What are the requirements? For EB2, there must be an advanced degree or exceptional ability. EB3, bachelor's degree or 2 years of work experience. And both require a job offer from a U.S. employer. The key points: leads to a permanent residency card, green card. An EB2 national interest waiver, NIW, allows some to self-petition without a job offer.